Hi, this is Pat Higgins. I hope you're having a great weekend. And this is another entry in our how to protect yourself or help yourself if you're involved in a car crash and what to do before then to help yourself. So today I want to continue talking about no fault. We talked about it last time about what it was and how it covers medical expenses. It covers lost wages as limited by the statute. It covers reasonable and necessary daily expenses, again, as limited. So what happens if you're in a car crash, you do have no fault, but you're really seriously injured, and you've only got the statutory minimum, which is $50,000, that $50,000 bucket. So that's what I want to talk to you about today. There are additional options that can be provided through your insurance carrier if you ask for them and if you pay them. Okay, this is they're called OBEL, Optional Basic Economic Loss, and they're called APIP, APIP, or Additional Personal Injury Protection. So these are additional amounts of coverage over and above the $50,000 that you can purchase for a very, very small amount relative to the benefit, that if you're in a car crash, they will essentially stack above or be added on to the $50,000, and that'll give you more coverage. You'll have more, you have more coverage to pay for medical bills, pay for those lost wages, again, as limited by the no-fault statute, and those reasonable and necessary medical daily expenses. So really something to think about because no one expects to get in a car crash. No one expects to get really hurt in a car crash, but there's really not much you can do about it. Many of our clients are sitting at a stop sign and they don't even see anything before they get hit, and they get hit really hard and they get hurt really bad. So this is something you can do before the crash to help yourself. So I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I know you're all busy. You got a ton of things going on. But this may be worth getting what's called your declarations sheet out of your automobile insurance policy, taking a look and seeing if you've got any OBEL or you got APIP. And if you don't, make a call to your broker, your insurance company, or your insurance agent and say, hey, I'd like to get some APIP and OBEL. How much does that cost? And you'd be surprised. It's very reasonable. And think about it. No one knows what's going to happen. This could really help you. So just something to think about on the Sunday. And next week or on the next post, we're going to talk about sum coverage, which is something else that you can do to help yourself through your own policy in case you get hit by a driver that doesn't have enough insurance, who has no assets, or is not going to be able to essentially reimburse you or compensate you for your losses. So enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we'll be in touch.